It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 27th of July. I'm Michael Groff. A bit of a break from the monsoon for the next couple of days, with thunderstorm chances remaining confined to the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona, and only isolated storms possible in the lower desert. But as we get toward the end of the week and the weekend, a dramatic increase in moisture, instability, and rain chances, with the threat of heavy rain returning to parts of the state as we go forward. And the good news is temperatures will remain below average. In fact, we could have another couple of days where we don't make the century mark. So let's talk about it. First, yesterday, 98 degrees the afternoon high, and that is 4 consecutive days of not making it to 100 degrees at Sky Harbor. The morning low was 75. The normal high, 106. The normal low, 85. And as we take a look outside now, here just after 9 o'clock, we've got mostly sunny sky out there, sitting at 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 66, relative humidity 46%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look, our weather disturbance that brought the unsettled weather late last week and into the weekend here across Arizona, that is now off of the Southern California coast. Meanwhile, to the north and east of us, a large area of high pressure stretches from the Rockies out across the Plain States, and it is roasting there. Check it out, the watch warning map. We've got a number of excessive heat warnings and heat advisories for the plains. Temperatures well up into the 90s, even over 100 degrees with very high humidity. Here in Arizona, an air quality alert for Maricopa County. That's issued by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality. So it's just another HPA day here in Phoenix. And with the drier and warmer weather, we'll get those again, but hopefully not for too much longer. The convective outlook for today, the standard slight risk of severe storms around the Twin Cities, another area up across New York State and some of the adjacent areas. Here in Arizona, much of the state is in the green, but I think that's being pretty optimistic on the part of the SPC. Most of the state will not see thunderstorm development today. Only the higher terrain and maybe a few storms try to sneak into the lower deserts, say northern Pinal County. Some of our high-res models do bring in some storms there, but generally staying east of Phoenix. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around or just above 1/10 of an inch, with heavier totals approaching 1 inch up north over the higher terrain, the eastern mountains. And of course, any one spot can get more than that. Your amount will vary. So let's talk about this weather pattern in more detail. And of course, to do that, we take a look at modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet off the ground. And ridging continues to sit out across the Rockies and the Plain States. Very hot temperatures there. We are on the southwestern flank of that, more of a south to southeasterly flow aloft. And traditionally, that does bring in the monsoon moisture, and the humidity will be up. But the thermal profiles today, generally with somewhat warmer air in the mid-levels, just too stable to support widespread thunderstorm activity. Still, widely scattered showers and storms will develop over the eastern mountains and up across parts of the rim today. And maybe one or two of those does get into the lower desert, mainly east of Phoenix. The chance of rain here for today is technically not zero. And we could see some gusty winds, particularly in the East Valley by this afternoon and tonight, but we're not going to put that in the forecast. High temperatures this afternoon, a bit warmer, upper 90s to about 103, and it will be muggy. Tonight, maybe a few gusty winds around, but otherwise we should be mostly clear with lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny in the morning, a few afternoon clouds, and high temperatures again around 100 to 104. Now here comes Thursday, and this is where the weather pattern starts to change. We see an easterly wave approaching us once more, and that'll be moving into northern Mexico. Moisture on the increase out ahead of it, instability rising as well. So we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms develop over the high country and push toward the lower desert in the afternoon and evening hours. We'll put a 30% chance of rain in our forecast and high temperatures around 100 to 105. Now, this next easterly wave is more of what we would traditionally see during the monsoon. It is not nearly as vigorous or anomalous as the previous system, but still a decently strong wave. So that should bring about at least the chance for some locally heavy rain with the strongest storms. On Friday, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. High temperatures fall off into the mid-90s to around 100. On Saturday, partly sunny, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. Highs only in the mid to upper 90s. So yeah, we may not make the triple digits again. That would be great. On Sunday, we'll see still scattered showers and thunderstorms around as this little easterly wave continues to progress to the west. And high temperatures still upper 90s to about 102. And on Monday, maybe a downtrend in shower and storm coverage, but still a chance we could see something. and high temperatures remaining below average. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 3rd of August, a very deep trough in the eastern part of the country. Meanwhile, our western ridge is somewhat suppressed. Heights are rather close to average. And the flow aloft is still monsoonal, generally out of the southeast, with maybe another inverted trough coming in here at that point. So we'll still see at least widely scattered to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Then, looking out 10 days, this is Thursday the 5th. High pressure suppressed all the way down into Texas. Meanwhile, broad, baggy troughing setting up along the west coast. And the GFS insists that moisture levels will remain elevated here for scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, thanks to an unusual amount of moisture across the eastern Pacific, probably from tropical systems or active easterly waves down there. And I'm not so sure about that, but the forecast confidence for next week is very low. We have seen so many different solutions here. It's hard to pin down any one of them. All right, here's a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is still up there around or just over 3/4 of an inch, and some of the members a bit higher than that. And temperatures off of the national blend of models. Overall, we're staying below average, and again, there is a day or two that we could possibly stay below 100 degrees later in the week or this weekend. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, and have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.